We have a buy limit in place. If we come down to here, we'll be in on this trade to go toward the London high. Stops are sitting just here. Okay, we're in on this trade now, so we'll see if this gap's going to hold. So yeah, this should play out. We've come down, tapped into EQ of the range. We've also respected this gap here. I'd be very surprised if this doesn't play out. We're just going to head toward this London high. Stops have been reduced to the bottom of this wick now. We shouldn't be going any lower than that if we're going to push higher. So yeah, we'll just see if this can play out now. We're just going to be patient. If we get stopped out, it is what it is. If we get stopped out, then this is just bad price action because we should be pushing up ideally right now. Quite surprised by this candle. This gap on ES, it needs to go. Come on, push. Nice, push. If we get inverse this gap, that is huge for us. We just keep respecting it though at the moment. Just because we're still respecting on there, I'm just going to take a bit out. So we're still floating pretty heavy right now. I've just took a bit of profit out here though. We'll say TP1. Nice, we're pushing a bit higher now. I am aware of this here, but I think we should be going up to this London high as the ultimate goal, so I'm not going to take anything out quite yet. Especially now as we're breaking out of this bearish gap. So stops are now here at this low. So we've trailed into profit a little as well now. I'm just going to really hold this low until the London high. I could take this out right now with quite a bit of a profit, but the London high is looking very manageable to get to. Okay, no, yeah, we're just going to take out full TP actually once we hit this. Go on, don't edge me like that. And 3, 2, 1. Bang. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh my gosh, what an amazing trade. Oh my gosh, look at that as well. And as soon as we take out the London low, we're just going straight down. Yes. Oh my gosh, what an amazing trade. That was like my most favorite trade I've ever hit. That was just so clean. Wow. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Insane trade. 2.8 RR, 106 handles. Absolutely insane. Oh my gosh. Yeah, amazing trade, bro. I'm happy. I'm very happy. So yeah, here's a trade recap.
Fresh squeeze, tangerine dreams, I'm sliding. Stocks up.
Okay, so for today's trade, we start on the higher time frames and we can see that we are very bullish. We're in this big bullish uptrend. And what was most important to me was this big 1 hour gap just here. I love the fact that we kept coming down and we kept respecting this 1 hour gap. Same thing as I think yesterday or the day before on the other week. We took a win because we identified the 1 hour gap was being held. So as soon as I see this 1 hour gap's getting held and we're already in an uptrend and we also have all of this liquidity lying up here to be took, I knew it was bullish for the day. So instantly looking for longs on the day. So then if we go down to the 15-minute time frame to top it off, we have relatively equal highs of the London high and the Asia high sitting here and lots of low resistance liquidity lying here for ES to take as well. So, okay, so if I come down to the 1 minute then, we start off pre-market bullish and then really clean price action here. So if we take out our EQ tool, you can see here we came up, took out some liquidity, and then we had that retrace just before the macro started, came into a discount of this range just past EQ, and then we had such sharp movement coming back up, which is really promising for me. I put my bias together, I put what I'm seeing here together, and I know that I have to enter long. So what happens then? We get this big displacing candle, really, really nice, picture perfect textbook entry here. We enter. As soon as we tap into the gap, stops are at the bottom of the candle, and then we ride it to full TP, baby. That was like, hands down, one of my best trades I've ever took in terms of confluence and just like the way it played out. So yeah, let's go. But yeah, that was today's trade. And I hope you guys also managed to find a good trade out of today. This definitely was the setup of the day. Insane. But yeah, thank you for watching. I am done for the day. And peace out, boys.